Watch this video.
This is you. There's your dad, his dad.
This video was uploaded on May 10th, 2025. In the first week, it got 69 views. After 10 days, it had 187 views. But after 30 days, it reached 2.8 million views. And if you check today, the first video on this channel has crossed 8 million views. That means this one video earned $24,000, which is around Rs $21,060,000. Yes, guys, some patterns on YouTube work very accurately. That's why many creators are getting their first payment from their very first video within the first month. This channel's very first video itself got around 3.9 million views. From just the first video, it earned about $1,000 in Indian currency. Other videos are getting Rs 32 lakh, Rs 10 lakh, Rs 8 lakh. That's separate. YouTube today is easier, fairer, more predictable, and a more reliable income option than ever before. Because now, viral psychology matters more than subscribers. Some categories on YouTube are growing very fast. I'll tell you all of them in a way that you can also do it and feel motivated to start. Now watch this video.
Have you ever noticed someone who never posts pictures online?
The entire voice is AI generated. Subtitles appear below. Icons and vectors appear above, which you can easily find on Google. Just search person icon, car icon, city, laptop, road, brain, and download them. You can even edit everything from your phone. This 3-minute psychology video has already reached 1.7 million views, even 7 million. Do you know when it was uploaded? It was the creator's second video after starting the channel. From that one video, it generated Rs 90 lakh in ad revenue. Don't skip this video today. How? Voice only. Faceless YouTube channels can completely change your life. Because of AI, Faceless YouTube is no longer just a category. It has become an industry. You don't need to show your face. You don't need to record your voice. In fact, even your ideas and content can be generated using AI. Now go to ChatGPT and paste this prompt. I'll give it in the description, but understand it first. Pretend you are a polymath, someone who has deep knowledge in every field, with mastery in philosophy, science, economics, psychology, and history. So ChatGPT will answer you by considering every subject deeply. It won't give you useless answers. Reveal knowledge that only the top 0.01% of experts understand, meaning give insights that only top experts know. Share insights so rare that most people don't even know they exist. Explain them simply but deeply. Then press enter. Try it yourself. You'll get shocking results. Going viral on YouTube is not luck. It's psychology. And it works repeatedly. To prove this, I won't give you a single channel idea without market proof. This channel started just 3 months ago and already has 231,000 subscribers. Because its videos are getting 32 lakh, 30 lakh, 18 lakh views. All done by AI. For audio, use AI voice. For visuals, everything can be created using tools like Google Gemini. Done. This channel uploaded 53 videos and got a total of 1.72 crore views, earning around Rs 45 lakh in just 3 months. That's about Rs 1 lakh per month. Just take a screenshot of any video, upload it to Gemini, select Generate, and say, "This is a reference image, create something similar." Train, house, dog, road, building, everything done. You don't need talent or skills. By the end of this video, you'll gain clarity on how to reach your first 1,000 subscribers and get your first payment. Now, if you want to start, which category should you choose? I'll give you fast-growing categories along with real examples that gained millions of views in weeks or months, so you feel confident. No matter how busy you are, job, studies, anything, after AI, you have no excuse. Work that takes 10 hours can now be done in minutes. And I'll give you all faceless ideas so anyone can replicate. Let's start. Category 1. People love listening to life advice from older people, 70, 80 years old. Since we aren't that age, AI can create realistic old personalities. For example, an AI-generated character sharing wisdom. You can generate an old man's image using ChatGPT, create audio with 11 Labs, and animate with tools. Add subtitles using editing tools. Post one video daily. Even thumbnails can be created by taking screenshots and editing them in Gemini within 10 seconds. Category 2. List videos. Easiest category. Example: all religions, mythical creatures, types of intelligence, explained in minutes. With just 12 videos, channels are getting millions of views and earning lakhs. Category 3. Micro-knowledge lists. Hidden facts about the human body, tech, cities, etc. Category 4. Artificial documentaries. Fully AI-generated storytelling, like old factories, steam explosions, historical reconstructions. Example: London in the 1600s recreated using AI, got 1.5 million views. You can do the same for India, like India 500 years ago. Category 5. Amazon product videos. Easiest and highest earning. Use product clips from Amazon. Convert info into script using AI. You earn from AdSense plus affiliate income. Even if 1 out of 1,000 viewers buys, you still make money. Category 6. Cars, gadgets, architecture. Same format works everywhere. AI voice plus images plus simple editing. Lakhs of views. Category 7. Animal content. Cats, dogs, lions, elephants. Example: cat videos getting 5 lakh plus views. You can replicate the same style for dogs, elephants, etc. Category 8. Finance content using AI voice clones. Example: Warren Buffett or Charlie Munger voice clones explaining finance. High ad revenue category. Category 9. Clone famous personalities. Example: Napoleon Hill, Jim Rohn. Channels are getting lakhs of views. You can even translate them into Hindi using AI. Or go creative. Make Einstein teach physics. Make Newton explain gravity. Make Chanakya teach strategy. Make Aryabhata teach mathematics. Make Osho or Krishnamurti teach philosophy. Students will relate more. Huge audience. Final truth: AI does the work, but direction comes from you. AI gives results, but you verify them. The difference between you and others is psychology, not technology. Tools keep changing. Trends keep changing. But creativity, storytelling, design, voice, writing stays forever. And if you want to master all these skills, you can join AutoTube's paid subscription. Trust me, you won't regret your decision. Premium subscriptions start from just $9. Please give it a try. Thank you. See you in the next video.